featuring a variety of railway-related exhibits and activities for those both young and old. The Devon Railway Centre is nestled in the picturesque Exe Valley. Join me in this short video as I take a quick look at this historical railway activity centre. Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. Today's video features a quick look at the Devon Railway Centre in the village of Bickleigh in the English county of Devon. Based at a long disused railway station and utilising some of the original buildings to house the exhibits, this railway centre has a variety of attractions for those of different ages. Including things such as soft play areas, outside playgrounds and drive your own trains for the younger enthusiast, there are also historical artefacts from a bygone railway age which are found throughout the site. Although not a particularly large attraction, some of the highlights include a model village with working trains and hidden details to spot. My particular favourite was the large-scale mine, which featured working equipment all operated by push buttons. A miniature railway takes you on a short ride through a fantasy gnome village, where there are many different things to watch out for. And a larger train trundles for a short distance through the activity centre with other historical items to keep an eye out for. It makes a stop at a picnic area near a disused railway bridge over the Exe River, which offers some beautiful scenery whilst you have a spot of lunch. Housed inside a couple of vintage railway carriages is my favourite part of the attraction, the model railways. Featuring a variety of scales from Z gauge right up to the larger garden railway scales, all the models are interactive, where a push button will operate the locomotives or start other features moving, such as this 00 gauge fairground. The models depict different settings and eras, ranging from earlier days of steam locomotives right up to the present day. I particularly like the diminutive Z gauge layout with a hot air balloon that floats across the sky on a pulley system. Also, the grand N gauge layout with the large bridge at its centre is particularly good to watch trains rush across. For the younger enthusiast, Thomas and his friends make an appearance too. So what do I think of this heritage railway centre? If you're a family with younger children, it is quite easy to take a whole day to get around all the activities. If you're a bit older, however, it might only take a few hours to see all the exhibits and museum pieces. It's not a large attraction, but it's certainly a good one to visit if you're a fan of trains, model railways and the peace and quiet of the Devon countryside. Hopefully you found this featurette helpful and maybe you might be convinced to take a visit here one day. As always, let me know what you think of this video in the comments below and if you'd like to see more of this kind of thing. I'm also keen to hear your suggestions as to other places that you think are worth a visit, so feel free to post that too. All that's left to say is thanks for watching this video and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe in order to see more content and help support the channel. And feel free to connect with me on social media. I'm on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. See you all again next time.